Hello guys! Guys, today, the last time I played this game, it was a long time ago. And so, this game, I don't have the badge, but I'm so happy.
Monkey View Contact Creator.
Monkey's View. It literally just came out yesterday, and I got mod. Sigma. So like, basically, I'm just gonna start with I'm not going to the mod room just yet. I don't want to spoil what's inside. There's that. You can pause if you want to read it. There's a whole Monk Games thing, and I'm gonna beat that in the video right now. Actually, we're doing that.
Welcome to Monk Games. There's gonna be 3 games that you have to complete, and if you win, you will get 456 view coins along with 2 cool cosmetics for free. Good luck. Welcome to Monk Games. There's gonna be 3 games.
Somebody's a little bit yapper. There's a little glitch you can do, but no, bro. Okay, it didn't work. Basically, you get this cosmetic and you get like a Squid Game thing over there. Oh no, I'm blurring that out. There's a content creator hat, but I haven't got it yet because I don't know. I've only made a video. Okay, never mind. This is just forest. There's 2 texture glitches, but that's fine. But so there's a bunch of trees and stuff. Ooh, the weekly parkour. And then, yeah, I'll show you so basically, it's just, it was way harder in the original version. Like the version where, there were things in there. All you need is, I forgot what I was gonna say. Just fucking 250 view coins and you get the microphone. I don't have the microphone. I mean, I do have it, but you know, I'm just gonna go claim it right now. I'm gonna show you the mic. So these are a bunch of cosmetic. There's a beanie. It looks really good. There's the lightning thing. There's a holdable. It's a monkey holdable. A top hat and a car and a little flower hat. Oh, I guess that's all of the cosmetics. Anyways, so you can go into any ball lobbies and donate things, but it doesn't really work. Not but that thing's just I like it, but and basically you can put promo codes in here. They're not done yet, and you can add friends. I also think that they're not done yet. So here, these are the Squid Game. These are collectibles. Weekly parkour, and Monk Games. You can get the micro. To put on cosmetics, you have to like spam on them. Okay, good. This thing, it gets really laggy in this somewhere in this right there. So I'm gonna show you everything in the moderator room now. There is a mod stick. It looks really good. Yeah, there's a mod badge. I have not seen what that looks like. I gotta go. That is it's a thing, and I'm not gonna leak it because I shall never. Wait, what am I doing again? Oh, I'm finding the mirror. I'm stupid. I'm a stoopy head. Oh, wait, yo, that looks delicious. I mean, nothing. Okay, it's good now. So the cosmetics are really good. There's the stick and the mod badge. there's a get froze hammer. I don't think it works yet, but you can freeze people. Well, you will be able to. And then the kick hammer, I think it works. I'm pretty sure. Get out! So anyways, I need to show you the path, but usually a moderator would have like the kick buttons right there, but I don't know what it is. So here is the Squid Game path. It's pretty cool. It's a 8650400. So there's a thing right there. Oh, it just comes right back. There's the weekly parkour. Oh my gosh, I am lagging. Okay, I'm at the path. Wait, huh? What just happened? What is that? Oh, I'm kind of dumb. So there is a... Oh, I forgot to say the green screen rewinder there. Right here, it says this is the band room. This person in this room is banned. You can go in and out, but he can only stay in. So yeah, guys, this game is Sigma and stuff, and you should definitely download it. Monkey's View on the App Store, on App Lab. It's the literal best game on VR right now. Yeah.
Stars. Let me see what's bringing up on Jupiter and Mars. You're not